Yes. Oh my god, the result was surprising. Buongiorno, guys. First, I boiled 1 cup of almond for about 20 minutes or until it softens. And in a pan, add half pound of ground beef to olive oil, bay leaves, some salt, and cook the meat well. And here's the crazy part: add dried fruit, apricot, plum, and the cooked almond. Mix everything well. And it's really interesting recipe. It's combination of two cuisines, Iraqi cuisines and Italian cuisines. I added here 1 cup of tap water. You can add raisins or cranberries if you like. And give it a stir. And let it cook for 20 minutes. In the same water that I boiled the almond, I add my pasta, a little bit of salt, and let it cook well. You know the pasta has to be cooked very well. There should be no solid part when you bite it. After I drained the pasta, I add it to the pan and mix everything, the dried fruit with the meat, and my plate is ready to be served. It's a crazy combination, I know, but you should try it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next videos.